What's going on, guys? We are about to get down on this haircut today. Today we're doing a mullet, aka the modern day mullet, aka the Theo Von, aka just a taper on the sides and leave the back. I also trimmed the top up, but the video stopped recording, so I don't have any of that footage. But nonetheless, we have the most important part, and that is the taper. Basically, we just did the skin. And I'm doing like a high taper up to the sides and a little bit behind the ears as well, so it blends into the back, and that way I can make that nice little line up, like loop around the ears, you know. But yeah, it's crazy that this haircut's getting popular again. I mean, I think it's pretty cool, especially when it's a little bit longer than this. I'm really just doing a taper, like doing a little clip over comb action right there. But yeah, I'm just doing like a taper like I normally would do, just excluding the back. And I did a little line up around the ear right there. Now I'm just going in with my magic clip, open and close. Just bring that line up right above the, you know what I'm talking about, that bone. But yeah, and then I'm going through and just getting the skin line, lining up a little bit, the outline of it. Nothing too crazy, not pushing anything back, just keeping it natural. And now I'm hitting it with my electric razor, just trying to tap it so it blends in softer into the skin line that we have set up right there. And then just going back with my magic clip, and I'm just got my half clip on there, and I'm just opening and closing it, just trying to get those little dark spots out. There we go, we got the before and the after, and I think it came out pretty good. Like I said, I don't have the footage of me trimming the top, but it was just a little light trim, nothing crazy.